one thing I guess is mostly for newbies starting with Rust. Just start with the book. It's really good resource. It is outlines and taking you step by step how Rust and how it differs from other language. So the book is really a good start. Then there is like what's called a Rust Links repo in GitHub in the Rust lang repository. This
Sorry,
like a small.
I want to ask you a quick question. Sorry to cut you off, but you said the book. Can you explain which book is the book?
The official Rust book. It's free and open source in the Rustlang. I guess it's like docs.rustlang.org/book. I guess. Uh, but anyway, it's the original book and it's updated when the language changes. So I guess you start off with this. Then you can grab off the Rustlinks repo, which is like a small example in different things. Takes you about the types, how the syntax, and what errors you need to fix. It's just a small examples. It is broken examples, of course, and you need to fix it. And it really helpful. It takes you a lot of things around the language and they make you familiar with. If you completed these two steps, I guess you already know most of things you need to work and start things. The third step, I guess, is the best thing. If you have an already application written in other language, say JavaScript, for example, a script in JavaScript, try to convert it to Rust. And of course, you will fail at first. This is like nothing wrong here because you'll in Rust you need to try to your head around the data is just different than the structure of the data itself. So this is the first thing you will need to do, and I guess after doing this you will be very familiar with the Rust syntax and how to build things.